Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener, the perfect place to seek help for starting and creating your home garden. Today, we dive into the joy of bountiful vegetable gardening. Imagine growing your own fresh, healthy vegetables right at your doorstep. The satisfaction of harvesting, the delight of tasting, it's a journey worth the effort. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this video will be your guide. In this video, you will discover 8 essential tips to help you grow a bountiful vegetable garden. The first step to successful gardening is planning. A well-thought-out plan can save you time, money, and a heap of disappointment. Start by choosing the perfect spot, which gets plenty of sunlight. Your choice of veggies should also be a calculated decision. Consider your palate, climate, and how much room you have to spare. Ponder over these factors and design accordingly. Keep in mind, a well-planned garden is a productive garden. Next, let's focus on preparing the soil. This step is like setting the stage for your star performers, the plants. Start by turning over the soil to loosen it. Then, add organic matter, such as compost or aged manure. This enriches the soil, providing vital nutrients for your veggies. Regular soil testing is also crucial to monitor nutrient levels and pH balance. This way, you can make necessary adjustments to keep your soil in prime condition. Remember, good soil equals healthy, productive plants. Now, you're ready to choose your seeds and plants. Start your garden on the right foot by opting for high-quality seeds from reliable sources. These seeds have a better chance of germinating and growing vigorously. Keep in mind your local climate and its suitability for certain plant varieties. Some plants may not thrive in certain conditions, so choose wisely. Opt for disease-resistant varieties where possible, as they can withstand common garden pests and diseases. The right seeds and plants are the backbone of any bountiful vegetable garden. The timing of planting is crucial. Picture a symphony where every plant is an instrument, each with its own perfect moment to join the orchestra of your garden. Let's say you're growing tomatoes. They crave the summer warmth, so plant them after the last frost. Conversely, leafy greens like spinach and kale prefer cooler temperatures, making early spring or fall ideal. It's all about knowing your plant's preferences and your local climate. Planting at the right time can significantly increase your garden's yield. Watering is an art in gardening. It's about striking the right balance. Vegetables thrive with consistent hydration, but it's important not to drown them. Avoid waterlogging your soil. This can suffocate roots and lead to plant disease. Instead, aim for moist, not soggy soil. Consider implementing water-saving techniques like mulching or using a soaker hose. These methods can conserve water while ensuring your plants get the hydration they need. Remember, overwatering is just as harmful as underwatering. Regular maintenance is key to a healthy garden. Weeding, for instance, is crucial. Those pesky intruders steal essential nutrients and water from your precious vegetables. Pruning, too, is vital. It helps direct the plant's energy to where it's needed most, encouraging healthier growth. Now, don't forget to regularly inspect for pests and diseases. Early detection can save your garden from major damage. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. So, keep up with your garden chores. A well-maintained garden is a happy garden. Finally, the fruits of your labor, harvesting. You've nurtured your plants, now it's time to reap the rewards. Different vegetables have their own prime harvest time, so be sure to do your homework. Once harvested, storing your bounty properly is key to maintaining freshness. And let's not forget, crop rotation in subsequent seasons is crucial. It helps to prevent soil depletion and keeps those pesky pests guessing. And there you have it, from planting to harvest, 8 tips to help you grow a bountiful vegetable garden. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've gone through the vital steps of planning your garden, preparing the soil, and selecting the right seeds and plants. We've talked about the importance of planting at the right time, watering your garden correctly, and the necessity of regular maintenance. Finally, we've explored harvesting and what comes next. Thank you for joining us on this gardening journey. We hope these tips inspire you to start your own vegetable garden. Until next time, happy gardening.